So, how do you make the cure?
So first, you gotta get this ashtray. Dump them in here. Get some fire. Throw it in. And then get a cigarette. Then get 2 lighters. Shake them up. Then it's ready.
Alright, let's see if it works. Hey, how do you feel?
Better. I think I'm cured. And then the claws go away.
I don't think you're cured.
Why?
Because your claws.
They went away.
Oh yeah, they did. Wow. Well, that's the end, I guess.
Hey, goodbye.
So, hey, I was the guy that had the first-person shooter the whole time, and I helped him.
I'm the werewolf.
Yep.
Of course.
Yes, he is.
Werewolf.
Yeah, kind of stupid too.
See you next time.
See ya.